Hi, my name is Josh Page, and today for my Tableau assignment, I'm going to be breaking down day by day of the week and deciding from three main graphs here which day of the week is the best for revenue generation. So, our first category is breaking down by number of impressions each day by weekday. So, a couple key takeaways. We have Monday with 94,000, which is the least amount of leads, and Friday with 207,000, which is the most. Next we have our hour of the day for impressions. So this is the based off all the times that leads are received. This is the average time of day that the leads come out to day by day. So Sunday coming in around 3 o'clock, Monday around 4, Tuesday they being the highest with almost 7 o'clock. Right here we got Wednesday with around like 4 or 2:40. Right here 4 o'clock again, and almost 4 o'clock here as well. And then for Saturday, which is our lowest, around 2:30 is the average time they get leads. So that means it could be a little bit higher or a little bit lower, but it's just where the bulk of the leads come in at. Moving on to the last graph, here's the conversion rate by day. So the conversion rate is the chance that one of these leads here will turn into a sale. The percentages are relatively low, with Sunday coming in around 6.6%. We have Monday with almost 10% chance to make a sale. Our lowest tier is Tuesday with about 3.3%, and so on for the remaining days. So the first thing we can point out right away, we can find out which are our two best days, and we can do that by looking at Monday. So Monday, even though it does have the least amount of leads in comparison to the other days, with that 9.7% chance to make a sale, if we look in comparison to the other ones, that's over 3% chance higher to make a sale on Monday than any other day of the week. So even though there's not a lot of leads, those leads generally do turn into some type of sale. For Tuesday, this is one of the worst days, probably the worst day, because we can look at it here. So we have Tuesday 145, which is roughly a little bit above average. Right here they have the lowest conversion rate, 3.3%. It's not good. And then we have almost a 7 o'clock average hour where they're making these sales. So a lot of these sales are coming in later in the day. And if you look at it in comparison, it's much later. The other latest would be 4 o'clock, and we're talking 7 o'clock. That's a big difference. So Tuesday is our worst day. Wednesday and Thursday kind of fall in the same. They're kind of just, average. They're better than Tuesday, but I will put Wednesday over Thursday because you have a shorter day. For one, you have more leads, and you have a higher percent chance of the lead turning into a sale. So now we can X out Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Friday, like I said, a lot of leads that day, and a relatively good percent chance to make a sale, about 5%. So about half of Monday in terms of percent chance. So we'll come back to that. Friday or Saturday, that's actually a pretty solid day. Ends around 2:30. High percent chance and a lot of leads. So I would put Saturday as number 3, and number 4 would be Sunday with about going until just past 3 o'clock, with 128,000 leads and a 6.6% chance of a sale. Between Monday and Friday, I would have to give Monday the slight edge, just because you have less leads, so you don't need as many employees working that day, because you have about half the amount of calls that need to be made, and you have a higher chance to make that sale. So if I had to choose a best day of the week to make a sale, I would say Monday in terms of most revenue for the company, but as a salesman, I would also choose Monday because you'll be making less calls and you'll still be able to pull in just as much as Friday. So that's what I got. Thank you for listening.